Okay, so if you guys are anything like me, I like the videos to get like straightforward and to the point, so that's why I'm just gonna go ahead and jump on into this video. You guys, no time to waste. I'll explain everything as we go along. As you guys see right now, what I'm doing is I'm just basically taking down everything from the walls. I'm removing everything, you guys, to get ready to prepare to paint the walls. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm not even gonna lie, this part was a struggle for me, but you know what I'm saying, your girl did it. I did it. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Alright, so what we're doing right now is spackling the drywall because, as you know, there was holes in it from removing the stand that held my son's trophies.
Dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me.
Alright, you guys, so what I'm getting ready to do right now is I'm getting ready to cut the ceiling. Basically, by cutting, if you guys don't know, I'm basically getting ready to trim out the ceiling with the paint that I'm using. And the color paint that I'm using on this side of the wall is, it's like a blue-gray, and it's called Flowing Breeze. And it's from Bear, you guys. And no, this video is not sponsored. I just really do like the quality of their paint, so that's why every video you guys see me, it's like Bear, Bear, Bear. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, you guys. So enjoy.
Gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder.
You guys see how my camera keeps focusing in and out? This is why I was struggling so hard to try to get this content for you guys, because I swear every time it just kept defocusing and it was the worst. See it? But you know, y'all bear with me. But right now, as you guys can see, what I'm doing right now is I'm rolling out the wall. You can't really see it on here. I mean, let me know if you guys can see it, but you can't really see it, the difference right now. But I think it's because the lighting was so bright. There you go. You can see it right there. And also, you guys, a quick reminder, if you guys are enjoying the video so far, go ahead and show me some support, and you know, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like, and make sure to drop a comment, you guys. I do reply to all comments, and you know, just show some support for me. Thank you. Alright, you guys, so now we are on day 2. Please do not mind my body, you guys, but I literally, you know what's crazy? I dreamt about completing this wall, so I got up at 8 o'clock in the morning and literally got to work, you guys. So, you know what I'm saying? You guys are going to get the real uncut, unedited version of me, you guys. So, Bonnet Chronicles it is. So, please forgive me, you guys, but the last thing I was worried about was how I was looking.
It'll go, oh Lord, think you know what I'm like. but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your floor. 'Cause I know what you don't, it is me.
Alright, and in case you guys were wondering, the color that I'm using on this particular wall, you guys, is called Pure White, and it's also from Bear. Just in case, if you guys are wondering what color this is, it's just pure white, you guys. Nothing fancy, just pure white.
How sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let off the rules, 'cause that's so much fun. Are you loving the feeling? It push me on you and it don't see what you see. But typical, messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, fuck with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, babe, I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody when I dance on your floor. 'Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed.
Alright, you guys, so if you guys hear cartoons in the background, that is because my daughter is watching cartoons. Let me back it up because unfortunately my camera has not been focusing. I think it's because my son doesn't have the brightest lighting in his room. If you guys see over here, the reason why we're not going all the way to the wall is because the wood that we have is going to cover that. So there's no need to accidentally hit this wall that we painted. So that is why you see that blue right there. If you guys see up there, the reason why we're not going all the way up to the ceiling as well, and we're not really focused on that, is because again, the wood is going to cover that part as well. Same thing for the right side, you guys, but this is what it looks like with the second coat of paint on it. I didn't want to bore you guys with like continuously painting the walls because, you know, I'm pretty sure you guys got the gist when we did it with the blue gray. But yeah, this is what it's looking like, you guys. Probably going to do one more coat. That'll be 3 coats. And then I think this wall is going to be good to go. And then we're going to get started on the exciting part, you guys. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so fun fact, we were actually going to keep the baseboard, but then, you know what I'm saying, we thought about it and we were like, you know what, let's do without the baseboard because we didn't want, you know what I'm saying, the balance to be off. We didn't want the top to have a different type of wooding than the baseboard. It just would have threw the whole thing off. So that's what we're doing right now, you guys. We're just removing the baseboard because it's just 2 different styles and I didn't want it to, you know, conflict with one another.
Oh no, right here we're just making sure everything's level before we go in and nail it in.
Tell them this is the new baseboard that we're using.
It's the new baseboard right here, 1x4. And we're gonna have another 1x4 on the top, and then we're gonna have running horizontal. And then we're gonna have 1x3s running vertical. And that's it.
Looks so good so far, guys. We're almost there.
Yep.
This has been what, a 2-day project?
Yep. 2 days. Well, that's because we wanted to go get out the house.
Well, yeah. Not only that,
we would have had it done yesterday.
Yeah.
Push that down. That's it. We just want to make sure that we have it tight up against the carpet. Help keep that carpet tucked in.
Yeah.
That's it. Let's get it.
How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad.
Alright, you guys, so it was at this moment when I realized that my vision is coming to reality, you guys. I started getting so freaking geeked. I mean, I'll look at it. I can already see it. You guys see it? Do y'all see it? Okay, I'm just making sure. Alright, you guys, so we're almost at the finishing line right here, you guys. If you guys see these brown marks, that's wood filler. So I went ahead and I went into each hole that we had into the wood, and I filled it with the wood filler. If you look up there, see how it's pink? When it turns that color, that means that it's done. But with the caulk, it's going to take a little bit longer to dry. So that's what Michael's doing right here. You know what I'm saying? Just making sure that we tighten up and, you know, clean up our work. But everything looks so good so far, you guys. So good so far. Alright, you guys, so as you guys can see, I'm back and it's been such a long day. So I'm going to tell you guys what I'm going to do because I don't have time to film you guys. I'm trying to get done with this like extremely fast so I can go to the grocery store and get dinner for the rest of the week, you guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paint all of this right here. I'm going to repaint it, and I'm going to bring you guys back up whenever I'm done. And yeah, I need to concentrate, and it's so hard for me to try to record and work at the same time, you guys. Make sure I got the right angles and stuff like that. So I hope you guys do understand, but you guys already know how to paint. You guys already know how to use a paintbrush. You guys saw that in the beginning of the video. So I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to sit through another paint with me. So yeah, I'm going to put you guys back up, and I hope you guys all enjoy. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this vlog. It will really mean a lot to me, you guys, if you guys please just give me some positive criticism and make sure that you subscribe below and share the video, like the video, love the video, you guys. I hope that you guys all enjoyed, and again, I am going to keep putting out more content like this. Can I promise you back to back? I honestly can't, because this honestly was a 2-day project. But until next time, and I hope you guys all enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.